morning everyone, welcome back to the channel and this new video. And today we are going to trek in a place near Kharghar. Yeah, I know, we are back to Kharghar. This has been a new favorite place for me and Radhika because this is the perfect place where you need not go too far away from the city and at the same time you can enjoy the greenery around. So yeah, we are going to start the trek now. And today Radhika won't be joining us for this trek because as this being a weekday, she is having some meetings and a lot of work, so I will be going alone for this trek. Watch the entire video to see the entire trek and I will show you some good cinematic B-rolls and keep giving you updates on how this trek goes ahead. So stay tuned.
Here we go.
Actually, at the start of the trek itself, I lost my way. There are 2-3 trails that go, so I took a different trail. So I asked some local over here and he guided me through the exact trail. I just noticed that there are a lot of plantations that has been made. If you guys can see, there are certain numbers that are attached to each of the plant. So that's a good thing. There are new plants that are being planted over here. There are some steep portions in this trek. If you guys can see, I have to climb up this entire trail and see ahead what's there. So let's go. So after 10 to 15 minutes of trek, there's this plateau where we reach. So you can rest over here for a while with this beautiful view. And also, if you can notice, there's a lot of sun today. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning and it's pretty hot. So I think winters are the best time to trek according to me, because during rainy seasons the trekking conditions are not that favorable, even though a lot of people go during rainy seasons for trekking because of the greenery around and the beauty that the nature has to offer. But it becomes very risky during monsoons for doing a trek. That's according to my personal view. I think in generally winters are the best season to do anything. This trek is like a semicircle kind of a route. So the route is like over here, it goes uphill and then it goes all the way down till here. So that is where the trek ends. I don't know if I would be going till that point, but let's see. I'll try my best to go till that end point. So let's go. So I think now's the difficult part. Now this rock patch has to be climbed. So this is like a proper trekking. After this climb, I have just taken a pit stop over here. Actually, sometimes the hardest part of any trek is the scorching heat. If the weather is right, if it's cool, 50% of the effort that you feel right now is gone. Whoa, this is a very steep part. Oh my god. पता नहीं कैसे करने वाला हूँ. चलो, let's go. So guys, again I have taken a pit stop. The climb was really hard, and there's one last climb. I think that's this one. I hope and pray this is the last steep climb, and I don't know if I will be able to do it, but let's see. I will have to try at least. And I don't think so while coming back I'm going to come back from the same route, because it's pretty dangerous to get down. So I think I'll go from this route only. And so let's see. I don't see any steep descents over here. It's only in the last part. So let's see, because in this route there is 2 to 3 steep descents, so I guess it will be difficult for me to get down. So that's why I'm choosing that route. So let's see what I go ahead with. So this is a sharp downhill, so I will have to be very careful while getting down. Because of this downhill there is some shade around, which feels really like a bliss. So this is how steep it was. So now this is the most difficult part, I guess. This is like my Everest. Let's do it. As you guys can see from my face, I'm totally drained out. Finally the ascending part is over. Now it's only the it's like a plane where you have to walk and then you have to descend. So I'll just show you. So finally we have arrived at a place where we can stand peacefully. So we started over here, we climbed to the entire hill, and then we are exactly at the center right now, and now we will have to walk through this entire patch and then get down. Now over here is the Ove Dam. I plan on doing a separate vlog on this next time, because Kharghar is now our favorite place, so we have to come over here again. And there is some work that is going around this place. I guess the hard part of the trek is over. We just have to walk through this. So let's see how it goes. I'm planning on shooting some drone footages, so stay tuned for that. we are done with the cinematic shoots. So now we will go downhill and we'll end the vlog at the end of the trek. Wow, this is such a beautiful view. And also I didn't fly my drone much because there are eagles and other birds hovering around over here. So I didn't want to harm them, and also at the same time didn't want to lose my drone also. So whenever you guys are carrying any drone or anything, make sure that there are no birds around. Please don't harm them. And it's for your safety of your drone as well. Now look at this. Now this is a steep downhill. I will keep my camera inside and I will meet you guys down after this steep descent is ended. Finally we are back down. It was a pretty difficult downhill, and I know I was wrong at the start that saying that only the climbing up of the hill is difficult, but I think climbing up from here will be more difficult. I actually slipped 2 times over here. So I guess we're done for the day. I will have something to drink. So I hope you guys like this video, and if yes, please leave a thumbs up, and please leave your views in the comment section below on this trekking video. We would love to hear that from you, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of such travel videos from us. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.